Hello, I am Lasya P. Shetty. Now I will be explaining the GM Insta application testing. Before deploying the GM Insta application, testing was performed using Catalan Recorder to verify that the system functions correctly under different scenarios. Catalan Recorder is a test automation tool that allows us to record and execute user actions on a web application. It helps in validating features such as user registration, login, post creation, profile management, and navigation without manually repeating the same steps multiple times. In this project, Catalan Recorder was used to create automated test cases for key modules of GM Insta. The tool recorded actions such as entering credentials, submitting forms, accessing the feed page, and interacting with the various application features. The execution results helped identify errors, verify expected outputs, and ensures that the application behaved as intended. Through testing, we were able to improve the reliability of the system, confirm the correctness of the implemented functionalities, and document both valid and invalid test scenarios for evaluation purpose. Now I will be explaining the valid login. Here it shows the execution of a test case named TC01 valid login, which verifies whether a registered user can successfully log in into the system. The automated test follows a simple 6-step process. First, the script clicks on the email input field and enters the registered email address. Now it clicks on the password field and enters the password. Once both credentials are entered, the automation script submits the login form using the appropriate CSS selector. After successful authentication, the application redirects the user to the feed page. Finally, the script verifies the URL, confirming that the login process has completed successfully and the user has reached the correct destination page. This test case validates the authentication workflow from submission process and page redirection functionality of the GM Insta application. The successful execution confirms that the login module is functioning correctly and the valid users can securely access the platform.
Invalid login test case. The objective of this test case is to verify that the system prevents the unauthorized access when the invalid login credentials are entered. Preconditions: the GM Insta application should be running and a valid user account should already exist in the system. The expected result as the system should reject the login attempt, display an appropriate error message such as invalid username or password, and keep the user on the login page. Actual result: the system successfully denied the access, displayed the error message, invalid username or the password, and did not allow the user to proceed further. The test case was executed successfully and the result matched the expected behavior.
Hello, myself Kavana. My topic is create post. This test case is designed to verify the create post functionality of the GM Insta application. The test begins by opening the application at http colon bar bar localhost colon 3000 bar. It then selects the post creation area and clicks on the test box to enter content. A sample post with the test leaf is typed into a text area, and after that, entering the content, the push button is clicked to publish the post. Then the expected result is that the post is successfully created and displayed in the user's feed, and it after confirming the users can add and share, and also without any issues. Next slide. uh, it's about a like post. In this test case validates the like post functionality of the GM Insta application. The test starts by opening the feed page at http colon bar bar localhost colon 3000 bar feed dot. It then identifies an existing post in the feed and clicks the like icon using the specified XPath locator. Once the action is performed, the application should register the like and update post and like status or count accordingly. The successful execution of this test confirms that users can interact with the posts and express engagement through the like feature.
Hello, I'm Siri. Now I tell about the comment post. In this test case, the user first navigates to the feed page where all posters are displayed. The user then selected the specific post and clicks on the comment input field and comment with the text good is entered into a file. After typing the comment, the user presses the enter key to submit it. The system processes the request, stored the comment in the database, and refers the post section. The newly added comment should immediately appear below the select post. This confirms the comment functionality is working properly and that user can communicate the share feedback throughout com- comments. Thank you.
Myself Dhanyashri. Test case 06 update profile. To verify that user can successfully update their profile information in the GM Insta application, test steps are: launch the GM Insta application, log in using valid credentials, navigate the profile section, click on the edit profile option, update profile details such as name, bio, profile picture or contact information, click the save or update button. The expected results are: the modified profile details should be saved successfully and displayed on the profile page. Result is the application successfully updated the profile information and displayed the new details. Status is pass. In test case 06, we tested the upgraded profile functionality in the GM Insta application. First, the user logged into application and navigated to the profile section. Then the user selected the edit profile option and modified the profile details such as name, bio and profile picture. After clicking the save button, the system successfully updated and displayed the new profile information. The expected result matched the actual result, therefore the test case was marked as passed. Thank you.